Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable personal space incognito mode on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to your home page and click on this button that you can find at the bottom of the screen on the right side. Then tap on the second button at the top on the right side, which is settings. After that you should scroll down in this right side column and tap on privacy and social. Then scroll down to the second section, connections, and in the first column within this section you can see the personal space incognito mode that can be enabled by tapping on the enable button, so then it will be updated automatically. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.